to our channel.
Today, Mo is a little bit sick, but we are recording anyway.
This video is gonna be...
Try not to laugh! This time, videos are different a little bit. Please tell us in the comments what do you think about today's videos. It's very important for us.
And don't forget to watch till the end, because at the end of the video, there's something really spicy gonna happen. Yeah!
Surprise for you guys! Actually, we have two surprises. We did a little bit of video for you guys, but I think it's gonna be very funny.
Yeah!
Let's begin!
Band. Oh?
Oh! Jeans, boots.
Curtains on my laptop, on the headphones. I spread the water every single where. It was the most funniest video. And I gagged again.
Disgusting.
I don't know why. I had the urge to gag again. I don't.
You do.
Last clip videos that we will be trying to have a poker face, which is impossible, you guys, to have.
It's impossible. But I can tell every time I laughed, you laugh too.
Yeah.
Because of water everywhere.
Exactly. It's like she's spitting the water over me. I'm spitting the water over her.
That's what she said.
So you're laughing at me.
I'm laughing with you.
Trouble isn't with me, Penny. It's with your gender.
Okay, what's the difference?
It's just a huge difference.
Okay.
Let me sit my stupid ass.
On this one. Think speed. Move me great. Touch like this and I toe touch like that.
Some of them wasn't funny actually. I feel
I don't know if it's the water that make my nose runny or am I sick?
you're sick.
I'm sick.
Yeah, you're sick.
And
I mean, a couple of minutes ago, I saw you sneeze that there was like something bad.
Oh,
I didn't even want to look.
Ay, caramba!
It was a big one.
That's what she said.
And I did.
Big booger.
It's like a huge. And you should see the amount of tissue
Oh, please, God, kill me now.
that I used today.
Oh, I thought he's going to say amount of boogers. I was like,
Oh, no.
oh my god. Watch the videos very fast and get back to you with the punishment.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Okay, guys, we are back. You wanted to say something?
Yeah. Well, it's a tie.
Wait.
I'm so happy. I'm so sick. I didn't want it to get punished at all. But we watched the video and we equally decided that it's a tie.
And you will see it in the video. I mean, we both laughed equally, so we don't have a punishment today.
What?
But we have some funny videos for you guys.
Maybe our surprise for today's video, to be honest, and we're really trying our best. So please give us a like and thumbs up and put us right in the comment down below.
Yes.
Which one is your favorite out of all?
The upcoming video, we have a very nice different challenge for you guys.
Yeah,
Ay, caramba!
we'll have so much things coming up. Yay!
I make the face.
You make the sound.
Ready?
Oh.
Okay. Okay. Woo!
You can work and text him like that.
So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.
Yes.
See you.
See you. What was that? Maybe bye bye?